Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how you can deactivate the option of canvas on Spotify. This is an option where in the songs when you are listening a song, in the background of that song, when you listen that song, maybe in some artist download or upload a video, a little video, a GIF in the background of that songs. So right now this option is automatically in the Spotify, and you can deactivate because that videos, that short videos, they uh, uh, is a problem for the battery of of your phone, because they are here in repeat over and over again when you listen your song. So if you want to disable that option, you need to go to Spotify, and here in Spotify you need to go to the superior right corner, in the superior left corner, in the bottom of your profile, you need to go to settings and privacy and go to playback. So here in playback you need to go down, and here we're set canvas display short looping visual on tracks. You can deactivate that option, and these short videos will be deactivated in your application. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.